Alright, homies. Alright, homies, we're back. I'm gonna give you guys a walking tour of La Revolución. Eso es todo solo. How much are these? 10, ¿cuánto?
24 pesos.
24. I think that should be 25. Gracias. Yeah, I got the hang of it now. I'm learning how to use their currency here, guys. 2 bottles of water for 24 pesos. Let's go walk this street right here. It's called La Revolucion. They got that annoying ass fucking street preacher right there, but let's go see what's going on over here. Looks like they have a Christmas tree right here that they haven't lit up. Let's go see what's going on. You guys think I'm gonna get Mountain Suma revenge with this water or not? Man, you know what? I never thought that I was gonna come out here to Tijuana, but look at me now, homies. It's crazy, huh? Let me get out of this area right here. I hate when they blast their music like that, bro. Like it messes up everything. Messes up the video. Fábrica de crepas? What's crepas? That's crazy, bro. Maybe they got a bunch of sarapes right here. Sombreros. And they got the lucha libre mask. Oh, they got an Oxxo over there. I was thinking about buying like some tequila bottles, but I don't know if I should. This Christmas I actually went and had Christmas with my family, and I gave out a bunch of fucking tequila bottles, bro. They were all pretty much like 20-30 bucks, but the most expensive one was 60 bucks. Yeah, so I would come out here and stay out here for a couple of days. Man, I hate when they have their music blasting, bro. I'm gonna walk all the way down there, and then I'm gonna walk all the way back, guys. So, hey, I might have to like edit out some of this music, guys. So if you guys see like a piece of the video where I just mute it out, that's the reason, because I heard some music and it might have got me a copyright or something, you know. Earlier we came and got some drinks right here. Look, bam. Should I wait for the light? Nah, people don't wait for no damn light here, but I'm not gonna risk it. I'll go to the next one. My next chance, I'll take it. Look at that guy in that fucking little bike. Do they all have to have music or what? This is an Oxxo. Look, let me walk in there real quick. You guys never seen a Mexican 7-Eleven? This is it right here, guys. I might get me like some coffee or something. Right here, they got the coffee right there. I wonder how much. Con permiso. Oh, this is the bag for the register. They have the big gallons of water right there. I'm gonna keep walking because go see what else there is over here. Put one of these damn waters in my pocket. So I came with some people, but they just stayed back. Oh, they got some hot wings right here, look. $1.89. Not $1, but 189 pesos. So this right here is pretty much the end of Revolucion right here. There's no tourism on this side. Tijuana's not that cool, man. I mean, it's cool if you want to come out here just for the cariñosas, you know. There's plenty of that, but there's actual real poverty out here. Con permiso. It's not like in the US. This poverty here is poverty that you can't help. The US is poverty because that's what you wanted to do. That's what you chose to do. And I know people are gonna say, ooh, how can you say that? It's true, bro. I grew up poor as hell. And that wasn't because, you know, my parents chose that, but they had to pretty much restart all over again, and they made it. They made it out there. Bar and lounge. Enchiladas suizas. Fettuccine. Pharmacy right there, guys. You can buy everything. I was just asking and shit, you know, and they say that they got Viagra, they got everything, bro. Everything you need in there. Oh damn, look at this. Tequila shot right here. I'm gonna come and get something right here. I wonder what their best tequila is right here. 700. Buenas tardes, oiga. 120. Un tequila.
Tequila reposado, un blanco.
No sé, ni nomás me gusta regalarlos, oiga, como para la Navidad y el Año Nuevo también.
Yo le recomiendo un 30-30.
30-30.
Es de 8 meses y está hecho en barricas de whisky. Es un muy buen
¿Cuánto,
tequila.
¿Cuánto vale este?
770 pesos.
700. Sí.
70. Que sería el ahora. Muy buen tequila. También 46.
46.
Puede probarlo,
Right here he says I could taste it if I want to.
Muy caro y bueno, le recomiendo Don Ramón.
Don Ramón.
Ese es muy buen tequila, ese es de 2 años y también está muy bueno.
Es como el Don Ramón del Chavo del 8.
Ah, es más o menos, y está muy bueno ese tequila también.
¿Este cuánto sale? Este me da ganas hasta de quedármelo yo.
Sale en 35.
35 bucks. I thought everything was supposed to be cheaper. Me voy a llevar este. No sé si traigo suficiente, pero este me lo llevo y te quema, o sea, uno. Y este está igual, ¿eh? El centenario ese le gusta a todos, ¿verdad? I don't even know if those are actually ¿tiene de un tequila que no tengan allá en Estados Unidos? A tequila that they don't have in the US.
Charrería.
Okay.
Es el bueno. Nada más lo venden aquí, no en Estados Unidos.
¿Cuánto está este hoy?
Sale en 40.
¿En 40?
¿Ah? O si quiere llevar. ¿Qué le dan, jefe? Un regalo.
Oh, este también está
Ese
chingón.
es de Zacatecas.
Oh, sí.
Si no quiere una botella grande, te tengo una botella chiquita, mire. Ese es
Okay. ¿Y cuántos
salen?
salen?
35 y 55.
¿De dólares?
De dólares, ajá.
Sí, está pero bien cariñoso.
Es que este es artesanal.
So I don't even know how much I got. So I gotta spend this dough. I'm probably getting worked.
Sería 1,300 pesos.
¿Cuáles son las que me dio?
La de Don Ramón y la de que nada más se encuentra en México.
Ok, son 1,300. Y una de esas del ¿cómo se llama?
¿Del escorpión?
Yeah, del alacrán.
¿Del alacrán? Serían 2,000 cerrados.
2,000 pesos, guys. There we go.
2,000 cerrados.
Okay.
Muchas gracias.
Ok, gracias.
Feliz Navidad, feliz año. Gracias.
Igualmente. So I don't know, I probably got work, but it is what it is, guys. Fucking, you know how it is. You don't know the fucking currency out here, so these guys kind of take advantage of it. It's all good though. It's all gravy. I'll make the money back if you guys give me likes and all that, you know? Oh, here's another one right here. Oh, let's go see. I just bought another one. They're probably cheaper too. Yeah, they are. Maybe? No, maybe. So right here, they're playing this annoying ass sound, so I had to edit out this part. So right here, I can't even play none of this because they had this annoying ass song that was clearly geared towards American tourists. It was fucking annoying that it's like that girl that sounds like a baby. She's making like a baby sound. Moo, baby, moo, baby, 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 baby. I don't know what song, but yeah, I couldn't play none of it. So I kind of just went around the store and checked out a little bit of prices. As you guys can see, all the prices are super expensive. I don't know, man. To me, going to Tijuana, it's not even worth it, bro. If I'm going to spend this kind of money, I might as well just go to a fucking Bevmo down the street. And I don't have to worry about fucking the cartels getting in a motherfucking gunfight. You know, but I mean, I'm not downing the place, but I mean, they could make it a little cheaper so they could get more tourism. But I guess they know that a lot of Americans are not worried about going out there and spending all their money. I guess they just go out there for the experience. But anyways, right now you're going to see me exit out of here and I go and get a coffee next door. And then I'll give you my thoughts on this little experience. All right, homies. So that's going to conclude this video. I just went in there right now and I bought this this coffee. It came out to 106 pesos right here and at this Container Coffee Roast Company. I don't know, man. I think they just like to fuck tourists, man, because there's no reason why Tijuana should be that expensive, but it is what it is. If you like to come out here and just enjoy walking around and spending money, then I guess Tijuana's good for you guys. But I don't know. There's really not much to do around here besides spending money and going to eat, you know what I mean? And then you have a bunch of people just asking you for feria, so I don't know. For me, it wasn't worth it. It's cool though, you know, if you want to spend some time away from home. That's probably about it, but it's Coffee's pretty good, man, but it does have sugar, and I don't fuck with sugar, so I might just drink half of it and throw the rest of it away. But hey, man, thanks for being here, and I'll check you guys out on the next one. Peace.